Cicero's Cat by Bud Fisher. The Night of the Bath.
Meow yourself. When you're in, you want out, and when you're out, you want to come in. Okay, out. And stay out. Get lost. Oh no, not you again. I said, and I meant it, shoo. What's that noise in the kitchen? You fool cat!
Mutt, what are you doing to our cat?
I found her in the stove. This fool cat got in there somehow.
A likely story. I know you hate our cat. You dirtied her up, didn't you?
But I tell you I did no such thing.
What's wrong, Pop?
Your mother thinks I hate our cat.
Well, don't you, Pop?
No, I don't hate her. She is a nuisance, that's all. And now your mother is sore at me.
Boy, she's a mess. She needs a bath.
That's it. To show your mother that I have a kindly feeling towards Desi, we'll give her a bath.
Where'd she go, Pop?
I don't know. I think she headed for upstairs.
The last time they gave me a bath, they almost drowned me.
Here she is, Pop. Under the bed. Come back, Desi. Don't you want to look beautiful?
Do you want to be a social outcast?
I got her, Pop.
Hey!
People got to take baths.
For goodness sakes, what are you doing in the tub with your clothes on?
We were trying to give Desi a bath.
You should know by now that cats don't like water. Besides, they know how to take care of themselves. See? There she is. She's washing her face. She's always washing her face.
She's not washing her face!
Well, if she isn't washing her face, what's she doing?
She's washing her hands and drying them on her face!
Later.
Dang that cat again! I've got to find a way to keep her out. Okay, Cicero, turn on the bath water.
Huh?